Hello there, incremental greetings. This is Possible Ending SuperMemo. I'm guessing you already are familiar with swapping Q&A. But did you know you can do this in bulk? So you can swap as many items as you want without just one command. So before getting into the matter, let me do a short intro. So now I'm into keyword shortcuts for SuperMemo. So let's say I have the key binding and I have to recall what it's doing. But let's say that I want the opposite. I want first to have here this and to recall what binding it is, right? Because maybe with AutoHot script I'll be changing the bindings. So for me it will be better to have this swapped. So usually you will do this, edit and swap Q&A, or by using the shorthand Shift Control S. Then one thing you may notice is that okay, now it's swapped, but that's one small detail. And look at the knowledge tree. The title is also modified. Why is that? Because the knowledge tree always SuperMemo fits the title is fed from the first component. So now the first component is this one. So whatever text is there will be shown here as a title. So now if I swap again, look at here. You also modified the title. So now I think it's the same as before. Okay. So now, to the point is, instead of going one by one, swapping them one by one, I want 150 in one go. So in my case, because all the items are structured, everything is inside this folder. So I only need to open the browser, so it's Control and space, and then filter by items here, and that's it. Second step is go tools and swap Q&A. Notice that there's no shortcut, so you have to do the menuing, and that's it. If you notice now, the titles are the other component, are not the shortcut whatever, with some exceptions that I'm guessing are the ones I swapped manually before. Let me check that. Okay. So as you may notice now right away is that the title doesn't match to the title it was in the browser view. So what I will do is refreshing.
Black ringed eyes.
So I open again the collection and here it is. Now it makes sense because the first component it's this one. I don't know why the knowledge tree is not refreshed. The swap took place and also the title is a swap, but not right away. I don't know why the knowledge tree is not updated right away, but that's not the thing. So you can just close and reopen SuperMemo or change the collection, and you will see the changes are swapped. And now everything is in the other way as I wanted. And let's say that, oh, I wanted all possible cards, all 100 and something, with the exception of 1 and 2. So I can look at them, let's pretend it's this one, and I can swap them again. Let me click, and that's it. So in order, let's say I have 150 items. So instead of swapping 148, I will swap all of them and then swap once again the two I wanted to keep. if this makes sense. And let me do this again. And this title doesn't correspond. That is weird, because it's the second component. The title is from the second component. Right, let me check that again. Yeah. So the title, it's actually from the second, not the first one. So it's this one. This looks like a back. Two. Are there more than that? This one. It should be translated help. If I was swapped twice, it's not updated here. That is so weird. So for whatever reason, it's the same template, and the title, it's not updated. Okay, I guess that will be up. And that's all for today. I hope this has been helpful for you. See ya.